Okay, last time we talked about one of four major sections, methods, which answers the question how to conduct the study. Today I want to talk about another part, results, which answers the question, what did the researcher get? The results section summarized the results of the analysis. Here are key points for reporting results. The researcher must be careful to report all results as accurately as possible, whether or not the hypotheses were supported. For each research objective, question, or hypothesis, the results are provided as completely as possible. If there are too many analyses for inclusion in the report, then the criteria to select analysis should be relevant to the overall objectives of the study. Lastly, the researcher should pay attention to the format on results reported. The APA publication manual provides direction for how to present various statistical results in a research report. For example, Greek letter statistical findings are usually reported into words for the text of the results section. Statistical values should be reported with 2 decimal digits of accuracy. The p-value, on the other hand, should be reported as the exact value. For example, here the specific format identified International Journal of Nursing Studies on Statistics. Then, what should be included in the results section? The results section usually begins with the description of sample and subgroups, followed by presentation of results of data analysis. The details on description of sample include demographic and health-related characteristics. When describing sample, tables and figures can be used. Now, we'll illustrate the results with the article on hospital-acquired pressure ulcer. In the results, the researcher first described statistics of the study variables, and the table 2 shows the characteristic of the sample. In terms of the presentation of results, results section varies greatly depending on the type of study. For quantitative study, the results are organized by objectives, questions, or hypotheses, and accompanied by tables and figures. For qualitative study research report, results are organized by themes or cultural characteristics and supported by quotes from participants to elaborate the explanation of the findings. For quantitative study, the presentation of results depends on the end of product of the data analysis, your own preference, and any journal instructions. If both descriptive and inferential statistics have been used, then the descriptive statistics ordinarily come first. Statistical results can be reported in narrative description accompanied by figures or tables. In this section, figures and tables are used to present a large amount of detailed information concisely and clearly. They are both an important way to economize on space and to avoid dull, repetitious statement. Researchers use figures and tables to demonstrate relationship or to document change over time so as to reduce the number of words in the text of the report. However, only if figures and tables are appropriate and well constructed for the results can they be useful. Here are guidelines for developing tables and figures in research reports. Tables and figures should be as simple as possible. Good table or figures should present the results completely and clearly with a brief title. Also, tables and figures should be numbered for easy reference. At the same time, important things can be highlighted in the text. More extensive guidelines and examples for developing tables and figures for research report can be found in the APA publication manual. Still, take as an example the article on hospital-acquired pressure ulcer. A line graph here, a line graph was used to show the trend of the prevalence of hospital-acquired pressure ulcer from the first quarters to the final quarters. For quantitative study, present your results in a manner that clarifies for the reader the phenomenon under investigation. These results include descriptions, themes, social processes, and theories that emerged from the study. Now, we'll illustrate the results section for a quantitative study. The article on medication adherence in Parkinson's disease. In this study, 7 themes associated with challenges and strategies of adherence to medication regimens emerged from the data. And each theme was elaborated by quotes from participants. So that's how to write the results section. Thank you.